The truth about oral hygiene secrets. Did you know your smile can impact your overall health? A radiant smile isn't just about aesthetics. It's a gateway to your body's well-being, influencing everything from confidence to physical health. Oral hygiene is crucial for maintaining a healthy mouth and overall health. It involves regular care practices to keep your teeth and gums clean, strong, and free from disease. Maintaining good oral hygiene prevents tooth decay and cavities. Regular brushing and flossing remove plaque, a sticky film of bacteria that can erode enamel and lead to painful cavities. Effective oral hygiene practices play a vital role in gum health. Healthy gums form a protective barrier against bacteria, reducing the risk of gum diseases like gingivitis and periodontitis. Adhering to oral hygiene routines is essential for preventing bad breath. Cleaning your teeth and tongue regularly removes food particles and bacteria, ensuring your breath stays fresh throughout the day. Healthy gums are the foundation of a strong oral hygiene routine, vital for supporting teeth and preventing periodontal disease. Maintaining gum health helps avoid inflammation, recession, and potential tooth loss. Bad breath, often caused by bacteria in the mouth, can be effectively managed through consistent oral hygiene practices. Regular brushing, flossing, and tongue cleaning keep your breath fresh and confidence high. Proper oral care significantly reduces the risk of oral diseases, including gingivitis and periodontitis. By maintaining a clean mouth environment, you decrease bacterial growth that leads to these common dental issues. Oral health impacts your entire body, influencing heart health and diabetes management. Harmful bacteria from the mouth can enter the bloodstream, emphasizing the importance of maintaining oral hygiene for overall wellness. Start with a simple daily routine. Brush twice, floss once, and rinse with mouthwash. This consistent practice keeps your mouth clean and your smile bright, setting a solid foundation for oral health. To brush effectively, hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums. Use gentle, circular motions to clean each tooth surface, and don't forget to brush your tongue. Flossing reaches areas between teeth where a brush can't, removing food particles and plaque. This crucial step helps prevent cavities and gum disease, making it essential for complete oral care. Mouthwash complements brushing and flossing by reaching areas they can't. It helps reduce plaque, fights bacteria, and freshens breath, making it a valuable addition to any oral hygiene routine. Eating crunchy fruits and vegetables can help clean your teeth, while sugary and acidic foods increase decay risk. A balanced diet supports healthier teeth and gums, enhancing oral hygiene efforts. Routine dental visits are vital for maintaining oral health. Professionals can spot problems early, provide thorough cleanings, and offer personalized advice, ensuring your smile remains healthy and bright. Teaching children good oral habits early sets the foundation for lifelong health. Make brushing fun with colorful brushes and tasty toothpaste. Encourage regular routines to instill discipline and consistency in dental care. Common oral hygiene mistakes can sabotage your efforts. Brushing too hard can damage gums, and skipping flossing leads to plaque buildup. Avoid these pitfalls to maintain a healthy, radiant smile. Modern technology offers innovative oral care solutions. Electric toothbrushes, water flossers, and smart dental apps provide enhanced cleaning. Embrace these tools to elevate your dental hygiene routine effortlessly. A friend's dental transformation inspired me. After adopting proper oral care habits, they experienced fewer cavities and a confidence boost. Their journey highlights the power of consistent oral hygiene practices. Start your journey to better oral health today. Swap your toothbrush, schedule a dental checkup, or try a new mouthwash. Every small step brings you closer to a healthier smile.